Avery wanted me to do a commission of her dog, Ellie, who had just passed over the Rainbow Bridge. She shared her photos and favorite stories with me, but this one stood out. The family always called Ellie the Tiny Dictator. And this was the sketch that they finally approved. I started with a ton of riotous color as my underpainting. I do this so that when I'm done, many of those wild colors peek through and add to the painting. It's a combination of fixing the background while working on the main figure. It all comes together eventually, and there it is. We finished it with a very elaborate Rococo frame, and it was a hit. So please, check out the other humorous dog commissions I've done. And while you're on my website, contact me, please, because I'd really love to paint your dog.